Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a slicer in Power BI. Now once you have your Power BI open, you have report canvas, what you want to do is click here on visualizations and expand it. Okay, now here you'll see this icon. This is the slicer. Click on this and then we will get this visualization chart. You can expand this. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. Now we need some fields to populate this visual. So go ahead and expand data. Okay, let's go ahead and use country. Then we'll use city. Okay, so slicing the data down. So if I click on this down arrow, we'll see all the cities in Afghanistan. Okay, see Kabul. We have Jalalabad. Okay, could do the same thing with Argentina, for example. You see a lot of different cities. And now let's slice it even more. Let's go ahead and get, for example, some sales or customer names. Okay, let's do customer names. So now we have country, we have city, and then customer name. So let's do Albania for this one. Okay, Vior, right, Joy Daniels. Right, that's how you can go ahead and keep slicing that data down. Really that easy and simple.